In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on your Redbubble account. Imagine you've decided it's time to update your email address associated with your Redbubble account. Whether it's a new email you're switching to or simply a matter of security, changing your email on Redbubble is a straightforward process. But it involves a few detailed steps that I'll guide you through to ensure you don't hit any snags along the way. First things first, head over to the Redbubble homepage. This platform, renowned for featuring awesome products designed by independent artists, is your starting point. Now look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Once you find it, click on it to proceed. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Start by typing in your current email address, the one you're looking to change. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any errors that could prevent you from logging in. Next up, it's time to input your password. Be careful to type your password accurately. If you've forgotten it, don't panic. There's usually an option to reset it right there on the login page. However, assuming you remember your credentials after entering your password, the next step is to click on the login button to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you're going to navigate back to the home page. Even though it might seem like you're going in circles, this step is crucial for accessing certain account features that are only visible once you're logged in. Afterward, it's time to get a bit of help from the Redbubble team. Scroll down on the home page and look for the Contact Us section. Redbubble prides itself on customer service, and they make it relatively easy to reach out for support. Upon locating the Contact Us link, click on it to proceed to the next step, which involves reaching out for support. Look for a button or link saying Contact Support Now. This is your gateway to getting personalized assistance from Redbubble's customer support team. As you follow the link to contact support, keep an eye out for the chat bubble icon, usually located at the lower right corner of the screen. This chat feature is a quick and convenient way to communicate your request to the support team. Click on the chat bubble, and once the chat window opens, type in your concern. Be clear and concise. For instance, you could type, "I would like to change my email address associated with my Redbubble account." Providing clear information up front will help the support team assist you more efficiently. After sending your message through the chat, the support team will typically respond with instructions or a request for additional information to verify your identity. This verification step is crucial for protecting your account and ensuring only you can make changes to your email address. Remember, the entire process from logging in to contacting support for an email change emphasizes security and privacy. Redbubble takes these aspects seriously, and while it might seem like a few hoops to jump through, it's all in the service of keeping your account safe and secure. Throughout this process, ensure you have access to both your old and new email accounts. There may be verification emails sent to either or both as part of the change process. Verifying your new email is the final step in confirming the change, and once done, you'll receive a confirmation that your account email has been updated. Before we wrap up, it's worth noting a couple of tips that might come in handy. First, always ensure your new email is one that you regularly use and have access to. There's nothing more frustrating than missing important notifications or forgetting an account because it's linked to an outdated or rarely checked email. Second, keep an eye on your spam or junk folder during the process. Sometimes important emails from customer support or the Redbubble team might end up there. After completing these steps and following any additional instructions from Redbubble's customer support team, your email address associated with your Redbubble account should be successfully changed. Changing your email address is a simple yet significant step in managing your online presence and ensuring your accounts are up to date and secure. Whether you're an artist selling on the platform or a customer enjoying the unique finds on Redbubble, keeping your account information current is essential. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Redbubble's support team. They're there to help. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process of changing your email on Redbubble a breeze. Remember, staying updated and secure online starts with these small, manageable steps. Happy shopping or selling on Redbubble,